Okay, this is one of the Vevor carts. Real quick, tips on installation. Find some surface to lay it on so you're not working on the ground like a monkey. The first two pieces to put together are the bottom ones. They go with the seams facing out, bolt them together with 4 bolts. Somebody else in one of the videos said, hey, leave all the bolts loose until you're ready. And they're lock nuts, so you're either going to tighten them a bit or you're leaving them like almost completely unthreaded. Leave them loose. The tolerances on this suck. Big important thing. There's 2 rails that go on. These are the second things to go on. These cross rails that kind of stiffen up the bottom. They are different. They're numbered different, so Vevor did their job there. But one of them's got all the holes in a straight row, and that's kind of the back one. And the other one has a total of 6 holes, but you're only using 4 right now. And that's in the front. And you'll tell because it's 4 holes that are straight across and 2 holes that are offset from it. That's the front of the cart. And after you get the bottom on, after you get these 2 on, again, leave them loose. The 2 sidewalls go on. Leave them a bit loose because if you don't, you won't be able to get the front on. Very tight. We had to go back and loosen crap again. There's the tip.